So hello guys, so we're gonna unboxing this toy box. So I don't know, I mentioned it from Shopee. So now I'm gonna open it. I ordered Red King. Let's see. Oh, there it is. But the real Red King is color. I cannot afford it, but I can afford this only. So only buy this. My mom told me, not expensive, I will buy. So I buy this, guys. It's so expensive. Just wait. There it is. Unboxing is gonna be complete. So wait. The working so cool, but let's go here. Now this is her color, and her I can only afford these, but it's still cool though because he's color gray. I mean gold. Like so the working, wow, he can move her. Wow, her arm can move, and I never seen that before. Yeah, now like you can see. There you can see it now. I can move her feet, and another feet, and her tail can wig too. Let's see it. It's wig her tail like this. Wig the tail. But I will think I like this. I buy this for and 145. I save money for buy this Red King. So please guys, give me a like and subscribe because my dream is want to be a YouTuber, and I start this to be a YouTuber. And like and my comment and like and subscribe to me please. And I ordered this Red King. So the Red King is supposed to be I will show you what is the so this is my video. So I will show you what is a Red King. Yeah. Excuse me, I'm gonna put you there, don't be trouble. So Red King. Let's see. Oh, this is a Red King. This I wanted to buy it, but it's this is the original color. But I only have a color gray. And this is my favorite, and this is my favorite one. Red King, because it's spare Red King roar. Wow. Well, I don't know why it's roar. Wow, that was a noise. I can't believe it. Bye guys, like and subscribe and comment, please share.